welcome. I'm Jeannie Dickinson of Jeannie's Designs. I love to make, create, and design, and I do it with all different mediums. I wanted to introduce myself and say hello. I am a wife of 42 years, a mom of 4, a nana of 12. I believe that art soothes the soul and helps heal the heart. It's happened in my life many times. If there was one message I could give to my children and grandchildren and all my friends, people I don't know too, is you are amazing. You are enough. You are talented and you are loved. And if I could give a confidence in that and a true knowledge in your heart and soul, if you will add gratitude and integrity, you will live a good life. It won't be easy, but it'll be a good life. And you can share your gifts with the world. So that's me in a nutshell. Those are the things I believe most and how I start and create. And I think that's why angels come out a lot in my artwork. I am going to take you on a little tour of my studio so you can see some of my artwork and just some of my mess. And it is real life. I decided not to worry about perfection because that's an illusion, and just get this video done so that you'll know a little bit about me. Art's messy, and that's okay to be a little messy in your studio or wherever you create, table, wherever. So I'm going to be back to welcome you into the studio and take a tour. Hello, welcome. Let's go take a peek at my studio. All right. So here's what I'm most known for are these leather journals. And I have supplies to make journals. I have journals for sale and a few other products up there that I've made for sale. We'll capture this little corner. So this is an inspiration wall. It's got a Wendy Brightbell piece, some Danielle Donaldson. It's got some stuff I did, some things I've just collected. Directly diagonal that I can't get to is another inspiration corner like this that has a Jean Oliver, something Renee Mueller did. And then all the walls in between are things that I've done, either from classes I taught or classes I've taken and incorporated in. The little stitchery piece, I was laid up off and on for 2 years after a car accident, and I couldn't always get out to the studio. So one of the times I just picked up some pieces and thread and started doing that to give my mind something to focus on. Those boxes are all player piano music that I haven't quite figured out where to store. I want to take them all apart and make journals out of them and paint on them. There is an angel from my mixed media angel class. Some more journals I made. My newest style is the ones with the metal covers. Right back there, storage. We won't go there, it's scary. This is what I see when I'm sitting at the station I use the most, is this inspiration board. And it's just got a mixture of things that I've learned or been working on or want to keep practicing, or colors I'm inspired by. Kind of a mixture, but sometimes it sparks what I want to do next. There's my easel, bunch of storage for supplies. That's my soldering station, very messy. I have some projects I'm working on, but I do have this cool shelf my husband put up, and I have just lots of different art I've learned. I've either done it with classes and then incorporated something I learned into my own, or that one is a class I teach on Teachable. That angel up there, that's from my mixed media angel class. Lots of projects going on. More metal books. And that's where I sit and do a lot of my work. Now we've walked all the way around. There's a circle around the workbench in the center of the room. some journals. Well, bless this hot mess, because it's always a hot mess. I'm always a hot mess. A new piece of art I'm working on. And I think that's it, friends. Thanks for stopping by the studio with me.